What if your next computer wasn't built from silicon, but from living bacteria? It sounds like science fiction, but scientists are actually making progress on this idea. Traditional computers rely on silicon chips that process electrical signals. They're powerful, but they use a lot of energy and can't repair themselves. Bacteria, on the other hand, are alive. Each tiny cell carries DNA that can be programmed like lines of code. Instead of electricity, they use chemical reactions to process information. Imagine billions of bacterial cells acting like processors, all working in parallel. They wouldn't need as much power as silicon chips. Even better, they can reproduce to replace broken parts and survive in environments that would destroy normal electronics. This could make bacterial computers perfect for medicine, where they might analyze diseases inside your body, or for space exploration, where self-repairing systems are critical.
Of course, this is still in the lab stage. We won't replace laptops with Petri dishes anytime soon, but the potential is massive. The future of computing might not just be faster or smaller, it could actually be alive.
Thank you for watching a knowledge video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We put the edge in knowledge.